With the rapid rise of AI agents and all the news, one of the most common questions I hear is, what can these AI agents do for me? And what can this AI do for my business? Hi everyone, I'm Ragnar Pitla, a solutions architect at Microsoft. I've spent almost a decade helping companies design, implement, and innovate solutions in ERP going to cloud, CRM, and other areas. And now I'm very excited to be in this era of AI where I'm helping companies not only to think about innovative solutions to cloud, but also adapting AI as well as answering the questions that will help them to be the leaders with AI technology. So in this video, one of my goals is not only to cover what are AI agents, but also to ask the right questions and understand how do we go ahead in terms of thinking and becoming a leader in adoption as well as innovating with AI technology. So the first thing we cover in this video is about introduction to AI agents, what they are, the evolution of AI agents, how AI agents work and what sets AI agents apart, the importance of looking ahead with some key questions for leaders on how to think, as well as some examples of AI agents both from Microsoft and other areas. And also, like an IT professional, I want to end the video with some conclusion and call to action so we can go ahead and take next steps before we jump into other videos. For us, AI agents operate through a straightforward yet a simple but powerful cycle: understanding, thinking, and acting. So in understanding, what we can say is they first interpret your input, whether it's command or a request, either automated as an email or an input from you. Then they can think. They process this information, some smart context aware. We also have multimodal. Now they can think based on an image or any input that you give. And the last one is acting. Finally, the AI agents can execute actions that needs completion of a different task, sending a message, analyzing the data, producing a report, things like that. So for simplification, think of AI agent as having three main components. An AI agent will consist of AI models, tools, and memory. What are AI models? These are the large language models, machine learning models. These are the brains of the agent responsible for understanding, processing, and generating human-like responsibilities, the generative AI aspect of it. They enable the agent to think and make decisions based on the information that they receive. The next section is tools. So these give the agent the ability to take an action, whether it's integrating with softwares like Dynamics 365 CE or F&O to automate workflows, or gather data from the web or an email, or perform calculations. And also these tools extend the agent's capabilities beyond responding to just the questions or the query. And the last section, memory. This allows the agent to remember past interactions, learn from them, and adapt. Memory makes it possible for the agent to recall previous conversations, track the progress, and define its actions based on what it has learned. So I'll dive deeper into each of these sections and components as we move ahead in the video. But for now, picture them as digital as teammates or assistants capable of handling tasks autonomously, while you can focus on the high-level strategy. So while making this video, I was reflecting on this, but also you can reflect on how you actually are an agent at the moment. Up until now, we all have been using GPT and CoPilot. So we are the ones who are agents who are using a large language model with the tools like our keyboard input and other things and getting the answer that is the output. And also we use the chat history and memory in that way. So when we create a blog post or when I make some kind of proofreading or something, I am the agent putting the input and using a large language model. Personally, I really enjoy using the CoPilot pages, which is the latest edition, to conduct my research. If I'm doing tracking of any data, I gather from the CoPilot and things like that. So I use CoPilot pages every day, and I'm the agent instead of using an AI agent. So the next section, the evolution from basic bots to intelligent AI bots, like I mentioned before. So we all had agents before, /bots or chatbot or Power Automate and other things before. Early automation tools were fantastic for repetitive tasks, sending an automated email or handling a simple customer query based on the input. So they needed to be rigid around what's the input is, yes or no. But now AI kind of reduces that restriction and makes it much more broad with human language. They couldn't adapt or learn from the context. The early bots certainly didn't have the power of today's large language models. These modern agents can communicate with single or multiple language models as well as we become more complex, which enables them to process complex language, adapt to the new data that's coming, work across different modalities such as images, audio, text. Previously, we need to put website code. Now it can understand just the web page. This makes them perfect for tasks that require to blend different capabilities. For example, one of the AI agent could draft a detailed report using an LLM, analyze the images with vision model, and also generate an audio using a speech model, so you get a detailed report of what has been done in an audio format or in a visual format. These agents range from simple to highly advanced, and we can categorize them into three main types. The first one being retrieval agents towards the simple end. These are the most basic types of agents you can find. They follow specific instructions on how to behave, include predefined rules, objectives, and personality traits set by the designers or creators. And with the new low-code technology, you can develop them on your own. They operate within a fixed guidelines and are best suited for straightforward rule-based tasks that you can do. The second one, as you move from simpler to complex, the next one is going to be task agents. These agents are more sophisticated and are designed to handle specific workflows and different processes. They use combination of knowledge, skills, and also rule-based automation to execute repetitive tasks efficiently and continuously. Their main purpose would be something to streamline an operation, making them for automating for everyday business processes in your businesses. And when we move more towards autonomy, the last one is autonomous agents. At the end of towards the advanced level, these autonomous agents operate independently without any human input in most cases. They dynamically plan, leverage the experience, and adapt towards the changing conditions with the new data that they get. These agents can make decisions on their own without human interventions, which makes them perfect for managing complex or multi-set goals and also for some unpredictable environments. You can still set some guardrails on certain hierarchy on at which level they need to have human intervention if there is an anomaly or an issue. But let's look at what makes these AI agents unique and what are the abilities that we can leverage in terms of tools and remember past interactions with the memory. For instance, AI agents can integrate with platforms like Dynamics 365 CE, which is the CRM from Microsoft, to either gather data, automate workflows, even track updates that are critical to your business in terms of your service or as well as your sales teams to understand more of the new information that's coming in. One of the key things I always say is think of these AI agents as always-on assistants, constantly running from your data, optimizing tasks that typically drain human hours. They can streamline processes, boost productivity, and even collaborate with other AI agents to tackle complex goals, ultimately making your business operations smarter and more efficient. So I really want to go back and link to our core question, which is what should AI agents do for you? This is something I really want you to take away from this video because it's not about what they are doing now, it's more about what you want them to do and can we get there? And most of the times the answer is yes, we can get there, and we are trying to simplify that process to understand that. So as a leader, if you can start with what should an AI agent do for you, or as an engineer or a technology or an end user, if you think about what should this AI agent do for you, you are already in the top 1% in order to make sure you are getting the best of this AI technology. So by saying that, what I mean is, let's consider how AI agents can be designed to grow with your business, adapt to the future needs, and leverage the latest advancements such as reasoning and these all multimodal capabilities. This forward-thinking approach will ensure that you're not reacting to the change, but actively driving it and helping companies like Microsoft, OpenAI, and other agents, other AI technologies towards coming to a solution that is useful to you. So with all the latest announcements, I have some example agents that I can share from Microsoft and others. The first one, recently in our Microsoft AI tour in London, Microsoft has introduced a suite of autonomous AI agents designed to enhance business operations across different domains. For example, the first one we have is a sales-led prioritization agent. This agent autonomously analyzes your incoming sales leads, assesses your factors such as engagement history, demographic data, and interaction patterns to prioritize leads with the highest conversation potential. These are all based on your data, but by automating this process, sales teams can focus their efforts more towards promising prospects, which indirectly or directly increases your efficiency and effectiveness. One of the other places I commonly go is agents.ai, which is a great place for network of different agents, so you can understand and learn what agents are available. These agents are crafted alongside humans, sometimes streamlining the workflows. They have different examples, which is amazing. Also, chat GPT agents. There has been a lot of influx of amazing community-driven agents that are being developed. These agents are versatile, handling different forms of businesses as well as different applications, which is amazing to see from the community on what they are building. So we'll also dive into some of these examples later in the videos that I make. By saying that, I also want to plug what's coming up next for me. In the upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into how to create these AI agents and explore the options available from building them. Especially, I will focus on the low-code solutions. We can break them down into step-by-step process of setting up AI agents using platforms like CoPilot Studio for sure, maybe Azure OpenAI services, and also a few examples with ChatGPT. Also, I want to share how to leverage CoPilot Studio for quick and intuitive deployments. Our team builds a lot of these, so I can bring some of that knowledge and see if I can share. And also options available for both technical and non-technical users. So anyone can start experimenting with these AI agents and also understanding what are these intelligent systems in their workflows. So stay tuned to learn how we can build them. And also I'll have some AI agents using CoPilot Studio and ChatGPT in our next video. So by saying that, the call to action is start thinking about what AI agents can do for you. So thank you so much for joining and also exploring about AI agents, and we'll dive deeper more as we go. I hope this video has sparked some questions and ideas about how AI could work for you and your goals. I would love to learn and also hear from you on your thoughts. What do you think about the future of AI agents? Feel free to share them here or on my LinkedIn. So please follow me on LinkedIn at Ragnar Pitla. So linkedin.com/Ragnar Pitla. So thank you so much. Until next time, let's keep leading with purpose and also innovating and embracing the future of AI technology together. Thank you so much. Peace. Bye.